Hello and welcome. This is where we empower you to live a healthy and fulfilling life. Today I am with my Zizi, my Za, and she's going to work with me on my flexibility. I have been trying forever to learn to do the splits. This little girl right here, she can do the splits. And so she said, Grandma Angela, you have to work on your flexibility. So I have my Zaza here, as I've told you guys, and she's going to work with me in terms of my flexibility, because flexibility is key in being able to do the splits, right, Zah?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we going to work on specifically with regard to our flexibility?
Leg flexibility and back flexibility.
Okay, so take it away. What do we do first?
First you're going to just warm up and stretch, so you're just going to get your hand and go as far as you can, and if you can, get your hands flat on the ground. And then, after you doing it 3 times, you hold it for 10 seconds.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Not quite as flat as you. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
And then you would just stretch and loosen up your torso and everything.
So this loosens the torso?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it feels great. Okay.
Okay. And then you're going to put your feet far apart.
So farther than hip width apart?
Yes. Far,
Okay.
but not too far.
Okay.
And then you're going to place your hands on your ankle.
So are we turning in the right direction?
Whatever direction.
It
you
doesn't
want.
matter. Okay.
And then you
Put my
want
hands on my ankle?
yes.
Okay.
And you want to bring your head to your knee as far as
Oh
you can
my
go.
God, I am so tight. Oh my God.
And you want to hold that for 10 seconds.
Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then the other
Come on.
side.
Okay. So we don't want to be lopsided. So we have to do the other side. Hands on our ankle and head as close to our knees as possible. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay.
Woo!
Now we're going to use the
Stretching
wall.
is just not my thing, y'all, but okay. So
Um,
put one hand on the wall.
You're going to put one hand on the wall
Okay.
and put one foot forward. It
Okay.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
And then you're going to bring your knee up.
Oh
As
my
high as
God.
you can.
Oh, I'm tight. Okay, bring it up as high as okay.
And then you go down.
Okay.
And then you're going to try to kick as high as you can.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay. But you try to keep your legs straight. Like,
So,
straight, then
would you
cook.
demonstrate for me, please?
So, you're going to put your hand on the wall for balance. Okay. And then, after you do that, it kind of just helps you.
Loosen it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then,
Okay, so. Oh my God. You guys see how high she can kick with her straight legs. So first I'm going to loosen it up, bring it up, and then I'm going to kick. 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 Okay.
and after doing that, lots of times, and over
So
time,
do that,
you should be able to go
several
higher.
times.
Several
And the
times
goal
a
is
day.
working on bringing that foot higher and higher,
Yeah.
and while keeping the leg straight.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't want to bend the knee.
Don't bend the knee. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, what else are we going to
So
work
you're
on?
going to do the other side.
Okay. Turn this leg. And then bring the leg up. And then, so let me turn this way because I don't want to kick her. Woo! God, I'm tight. But I'm determined. I'm going to work on it. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now we're going to work on a back flexibility.
Oh my God. We're working on the back. This back is up. But okay.
So, there's 2 different ways. There's the modified version and what you want to do.
I'm probably going to need the modified. But I'm going to
So
try.
the
You know I'm
modified
all
version, you go on the ground
out. Okay.
and you push up.
Are we doing
As
the
high as
wheel
you
or
can.
what?
No, You just push up. It's just a.
Okay, so
bridge.
demonstrate it, please.
Okay. I have to tuck you.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh my God.
You have to. My shirt is so short.
Oh my God. So. Oh.
Like that.
Let me see if I can do it. Okay. Guys, I don't know if I can do this. This is the modified version?
Yeah.
Do you think I can do the modified version? Let me know, audience. Do you all think I can do it? Okay, let me try it. Let me try it. Let me try it. Let me try. Okay, so she told me to sit down on the floor. Feet are flat. Lie down. Oh my God. You all, I'm feeling this. My feet are sliding already. Oh my God. So she just demonstrated the modified version. Let me see if I can do this. Let me see if I can do this. Okay. Okay. She said, feet are flat on the mat. Oh my gosh, you all, this is a challenge. This is a challenge. Oh, this is a challenge. Oh God. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know that I can do it. I think I can. I think I can.
Just go as far as you can.
I can't get up. And I used to be able to do that. No, I used to be able to. Show me again, Zara. Riyadh, can you do it? Okay, so now Riyadh's going to demonstrate the modified version. Take it away. Oh my God, he's got it. Zara, would you show us again? It looks like I'm the only one that can't. I'm not. I refuse to be left behind, guys. I refuse to be left behind. Okay, there's Zara again. Okay, now I've got to try it again. Here, hold this. I refuse. Did you hear me? I said I refuse to be left out. They're not gonna leave me behind, you all. I'ma do this. I'ma do this. I'ma do this. Okay, here we go. 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 Okay.
Here she goes.
No, here we go. Come on. Come on, can I do it? Oh! Oh! Oh my God, this is insane.
The next one is even.
Okay, all right, I've got to work on it. They got me. I got to work on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, the next one is if you could do the first. The next thing is if you can do the first thing, which you can't do for now. But it's where you do it, but you're gonna straighten out your legs and push your spine as back as you can.
Show me, demonstrate, please.
So like this. Instead of just doing that, you're gonna put feet forward and push.
Oh my God.
Now,
Oh my God.
push.
Oh my God.
Push. See?
So let me
It's
see
so
if I can do
short.
it. Okay. Okay. You all, I'm still working on it. You all, the camera going over here. You all, I'm still working on it. I refuse to let two little young people outshine me. The way she does it though, okay, well at least she's giving me something to work on. Because I've got to get this first. She told me if I can't do it. Oh God.
Just push, go down, push, go down, push, go